Hi, and welcome to Managing Your SQL Server Databases with Experta, the comprehensive maintenance and monitoring cloud-based software for your SQL Server environment.
Managing Your
My
SQL
name
Server
is Rema
Databases
Orr,
with
and I'm the
Experta,
head of
the
research and
comprehensive
development.
maintenance and monitoring
In this video,
cloud-based
I'll
software
demonstrate
for
how
your
to
SQL Server
customize a
environment.
specific
My name
maintenance
is
rule
Rema Orr,
and
and
explain
I'm
the
the head of
differences
research and
between using a template
In this
and
video,
a
I'll
custom
demonstrate
maintenance rule. Using a template offers a streamlined approach, allowing you to apply and modify
Managing Your
maintenance
SQL
plans
Server
across
Databases with
multiple servers
Experta, the
simultaneously.
comprehensive maintenance and
This method
monitoring
is highly
cloud-based software
recommended
for your
and
SQL
preferred
Server
by many
environment.
of our clients for
My name
managing
is
large
Rema Orr,
environments
and I'm the
efficiently.
head of research
However,
and development.
templates do have
In
certain
this video,
limitations.
I'll demonstrate
For
how to
instance, if you
customize
need
a
to define a
specific maintenance
scheduled
rule
backup
and
for a
explain the
specific
differences
database,
between
you'll need
using
to
a
work at the
template
custom server
and a
level to
custom
apply more
maintenance rule.
granular
Using a
configurations.
template
To customize a maintenance rule, follow these steps. Access the Custom Setup menu. From the left side menu, select Custom Setup and navigate to the specific server you wish to configure. Begin the dialog for the maintenance rule you want to add or modify. In this example, we'll work with the backup rule. You want to select a database. Unlike the template level, at the custom server level, you can include or exclude databases.
Unlike the template
After
level,
making your selections, a final list of included databases will appear below to reflect your custom configuration.
After making your selections,
Alternatively,
a final
you can
list of
still
included
choose from a
databases will appear
predefined
below
database
to
group,
reflect your
similar
custom
to the template
configuration.
level.
Alternatively, you
After
can still
setting the
choose
database
from
selection,
a predefined
open the
database
Rule
group,
Details section.
similar to the template
In the
level.
directory configuration, you'll notice the addition of
You want
a
to
custom
select a
directory
database.
option.
Unlike the
This is
template
not
level,
available at the
at the
template
custom
level,
server
where
level,
only global
you can
and
include
instance
or
defaults
exclude
are
specific
accessible.
databases.
If the server supports
After making your
you'll
selections,
also find
a
an
final list
encryption
of
option
included
for
databases
backups,
will
which is
appear below
another
to
feature
reflect your
exclusive to the custom server level. Additional server customization level example is in the index optimization. In the index optimization rule, custom server level options allow you to target specific availability groups and select individual indexes for optimization. In conclusion, custom maintenance rules provide the flexibility needed for detailed configurations tailored to specific servers and databases.
Additional server
For a
customization
comprehensive
level
understanding
example
of
is in the
Experta's
index
full maintenance
optimization.
capabilities, check out the Experta Maintenance Plans overview video.